So now we're on to question 8. Okay, a lovely percentage question. One third of the pupils in a school are girls. Okay, so 33%. Okay, 15% of the girls are in senior school. Okay, 306 girls are in junior school. Okay, so will 15% of this 33% um, are in, I'm just going to call it S senior school. I was going to write SS, but that has bad connotations. So there are 306 girls in junior school. So now the girl population is divided 15% in senior school, so that would leave us with 100 minus 15 for junior school, which would be 85%. Yeah, so 85% are in junior school. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. If 15% are in senior, then you'd have to have the other 85% in junior school. Okay, and then it asks how many pupils are in the school. Well, firstly, we need to work out what 1% of the girls are. Yeah, so it is, and then we work out the total number of girls. Okay, so we can do this with our 306 girls in junior school, which is equal to 85%. Okay, so what we can do is I want 1%. So what am I doing? Each side I'm dividing by 85. It's going to divide by 58 there. Divide by 85. So 306 divided by 85 is 3.6. 3.6. So 1% is 3.6. So 100% is equal to 360 girls. Yeah? So that's the total number of girls we have. Okay? And girls represent in our school 33% of the population is girls, and that's 360 people or 360 girls in the school. So we'll just do the same sort of operation again. So we will, okay, we'll want to find out what 1% of the population is in the school. Okay, so divide by 33 to get to 1%. Divide 36 by 33 to find out what 1% is equal. Don't need to divide by 33%, just 33. And that would give us 360 divided by 33 would give us 10.91. Okay. And since 1% is 10.91, 100%, we can just multiply both sides by 100. So that'd be 100. It'd be 1090. Okay, I've rounded that up. You could probably go, it'd probably be 100 or 1090 students. Okay, so again, just to go through the process, we had one third, which is 33%. Well, 33.33. Okay, you could write a third. Okay, which is represented by 1.333. So it is reoccurring. I've just said it's 33. Okay. We knew that 15% of the senior girls, or 50% of the girls, are in senior school. That means that 85% were in junior school. We know how many we had in junior school, so we can work out the total amount of girls that we have. Once we find out the total number of girls we have, we know that the girl population represents 33% of the school. Okay? So then what we can do is we know that 33% of the school is 360 people. Okay? 360 girls. And we can divide that by 33, find what 1% is equal to, and then multiply by 100. Okay? Now let me check just to make sure. If I divide 360 by 33.33, I'm probably going to get in around the same answer. So slightly smaller, multiply by 100. Okay. So if you go for probably which would be the right operation. Okay. So I'm going to correct myself. just go 33.33 because that's what a third is. It's 33.33, and that actually gives us 180. Okay, for 1%. Okay, so then will be 180 here. Okay, I'll actually rub it out and write it properly. Be 180. Okay, so I imagine if you write 33, you probably would still get the marks, but just to be safe, I'm gonna go exactly what 33 our third is, which is 33 33.33%. Okay, it's reoccurring. All right, hope that makes sense.